Hey guys, Noah here. This is a 42-inch Design House hugger ceiling fan. It's also labeled Carribean, as in Caribbean Electric, I assume. Both of the tags are on the mounting bracket, so I can't really show you that. So I'm not going to pull the camera off the tripod. Here's low speed. So this ceiling fan was in my buddy's shop that is soon to be torn down. Well, I don't know how soon, but it was destined to be torn down, and this fan was absolutely caked in dust and rust. Done for. I was like, hey, I might as well save it. And this shop has like 12-foot ceilings, maybe higher. So my buddy has a lifted Ford. I'm not sure what Ford, but it's lifted very high, probably on 40-inch tires. Maybe even 44s. I threw a 6-foot ladder in the bed of the truck and basically saved it. When I went to restore this fan, or repaint it really, I didn't redo the bearings or anything, I oiled them, but the bearings were fine, so, no point in working on them if they're fine. It's just a cheap hugger. Here's medium. Also, this fan's kind of loud, just yell. I don't know if you can hear it. But I decided to go with the light blue on this, or more like a cayenne blue, because I wanted to kind of mimic those air cool huggers that were in the 80s, and I kind of went for a Florida Keys theme. I've always kind of wanted like a blue hugger like this, so I decided to make it, and it turned out pretty okay, I think. Medium's pretty decent airflow, I, however, have not put the vent stuff back in the screen. Anyway, let's go up the tripod here and show you up close on high speed. There you can hear the hum. It's not too bad. I'm not too worried about it. I know some people will probably be angry I painted these screws. This fan was polished brass. It was actually so bad I thought it was antique brass. So, yeah, I let the chain but I thought I might as well paint these, let them blend in and not look like crap. I would replace this chain, but it's not that bad, and there's a board in here actually. So, it blows pretty decent air on high. For some reason, the reverse switch was installed upside down in the factory. Maybe it's on purpose, more likely. Portions are a little bit odd too. The switch housing's pretty big. Anyway, I'll show you it off and get up close here. Can't totally do that. So the finish, it's not perfect, but it's whatever. I actually used, at first thought it was a CEI because of the holes, but I don't know, maybe you can see it. No, I don't think you can. Well, Yeah, maybe if it would screw off, focus on the right thing, maybe. See the tag in there. Focus. No. Okay, you know what? Screw you. This side says design house, so no. There you go. You can see that pretty clearly. Anyhow, the worst part about restoring this fan was the blades, because they were pretty much, first off, caked in dust, and when I went to clean them, they fell apart. It was my first time trying to clean blades in water. I didn't think it would go well, and it didn't, but I had to use some wood glue because they were falling apart, but it didn't turn out absolutely awful. It's whatever. Wipe off the camera real quick. It's a little bit dirty. Yeah. All right, variable speed. It's very loud on the variable speed. Starting low. Nope. Starting high, I guess. Okay. Gotta switch it. You want 1/8 turn? All right. I did paint some of the screws black, including the screws that attach the blades to the motor. All right. Number 8. And let's go straight to high. And just to show you real quick, this fan does not like low speed on the solid state. Obviously, most fans don't. But yeah, kind of see the screws I painted there. I was planning on painting the motor, but it didn't look bad enough, so I was just like, okay, send it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.